Oh, I'm hungry. I want some tacos. Hey y'all, Frank Munoz here with Ultimate Real Estate. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my upcoming listing here at 9911 Ferguson Road in Dallas. I wanted to showcase the close proximity to shops and restaurants and White Rock Lake and the Arboretum, downtown, North Park. I mean, it's just so close to everything. North Park is about 8 miles away. White Rock is only 5 miles away. And Torchy's Tacos, which the tacos that are featured in my video, is just a couple miles away. You can even jog there if you like, and then take a walk through the Arboretum or even White Rock. There's just so much to do in the area, and of course, as you can see, the home has been completely remodeled with restained hardwood floors, granite countertops in the kitchen. I mean, it's got everything, and it's such a great price for the neighborhood. As you know, Ferguson Heights is a pretty high-end area. If you're interested, please give me a call at 682-334-3997 and come see me in my open house. I will be having tacos and drinks this Saturday from 1 to 3. Hope to see you there.